Hello, my name is Stanley Ogagwe and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in Nigeria. This is the News Chronicle. So Edo State APC chairman Jared Tenebe has again come out to avow that for them in Edo State, it is whatever the governor asks them to do that they do, even if it means jumping it into the oceans. They are willing to do that, but that's not the thrust of this video. In a very sensational move, he did mention that come 2027, they are going to ensure that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu amass 3.5 million votes in that state. And for a state that currently has 2.5 million voters, registered voters, some of us are wondering where he is likely going to conjure the remaining number of voters from. And that is why we are concerned about what is currently going on in Edo State and, of course, all parts of the country where political office holders, especially in the APC, are all over the place making reckless statements. And, of course, the authorities who should have swung into action to ensure that some of these reckless statements are brought to book look away. We've seen it played out in Lagos. We've seen it played out in other parts of the country. And even the Edo State APC chairman was in the news for the wrong reasons recently. And of course, even the governor himself, we have seen him threatening Peter Obi and what have you. And the question that I am asking is, what is the INEC doing about these reckless remarks that have been made by people in the APC who are literally threatening people that come 2027 is either you vote Tinubu or they eliminate you. They are literally threatening Nigerians, and for them, if it is not President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that you are going to thumbprint for, it is as good as you not coming out to vote at all, because they are ready to fight tooth and nail to ensure that he secures all the available votes all over the place. And I am wondering if this is still democracy, and what is the police, the army, the INEC, and all the necessary relevant authorities doing about these reckless remarks that have continued to, permeate the society, coming from the stables of major stakeholders in the APC. I actually think that it is high time that the government acted and ensured that these people are arrested and, of course, prosecuted to avoid, scaring Nigerians from what it will exercise their vote come 2027. Of course, it is the fundamental right of Nigerians to vote for who they want to vote for. So if it has gotten to a point where people in the APC continue to threaten Nigerians that if they don't vote for Tinubu and, of course, their state and all of their people, it becomes a problem, then it's as good as we are not practicing democracy where people are entitled to their vote. So I am calling on INEC, I am calling on the police, I am calling on all relevant authorities to ensure that these reckless statements that continue to permeate the society coming from the corridors of the APC should, they should do something about it, so that Nigerians can, be rest assured that come 2027, they can go out to vote and they will return home in peace. And of course, Nigerians, let's hear from you. It is high time that we all raise our voices to talk about these things, because it is becoming a problem. See you same time next week. Thank you. Bye.